Hey family, day 404 of trading, day 404. And today we are down. Today's gain, negative $463.75. Total assets, $11,211.73. The shares account down 600 bucks. And the options account down $600. Shares account up $136.25 and staying liquid 566.13. I almost got into another position, a shares position today, but what I don't want, and I guess this 566 is okay because I started getting paid for my other jobs. I finally got my baddies check yesterday. I'll get my South by Southwest check in a couple weeks. So my goal is to never ever take any more money out of my brokerage account. So I do want to stay liquid just in case something happens, but I still have these plays going. But chances are I won't have to take any bread out, which is a good thing. And the goal is to not take any bread out for the next 3 years and see how I can just build it up, build it up, build it up. I have my freelance gigs and I'm probably going to get a staff gig in another couple of months. And then I actually be feeding into the brokerage account as opposed to pulling out of the brokerage account. But let's take a look at the options. Um, TTD $100 strike price gave back 20 bucks today. $80 strike price gave back a buck 30. And here goes our friend Beyond giving back 450 after gave me a few $100 yesterday. So, it is what it is, man. I was tempted to see the next time that Beyond gave me, because yesterday we were up 20% overall total gain. So I could have just took that out, cashed that out. But I was like, I have super long leaps, until expiration next December 17th. So I'm going to keep it in there because I think that this one is going to pop. I mean, at some point, I'll show you on the charts, but at some point it's going to go up and definitely get above $7, man. And maybe way, way above $7. This might be one of those ones that you look up and it's like 3,000% gain. You know what I mean? 5,000% gain for 50x. So I'm just gonna leave it in there, man. Let it do what it do. At the end of the day, $525 left in there. I paid 11.50 for it. That's a nice little risk to reward. 50K to 1100. I'm gonna take that risk, man. And I think I want to work out well. Same thing with Trade Desk. I think by January of next year, it'll do what it do. Shares account, UNHG gave us 85 bucks today. TSLO gave us $51.25. So going in the right direction. Um, would be nice to get some more TSLL. It is still bearish. We'll take a look at the charts, but if I could get it down at least some more, then maybe I'll go ahead and buy some more TSLL. That's another one that'll pop. Then I could average down on the price. We'll look at the Tesla chart overall. It definitely has to be getting towards the bottom. Go to the day chart. So right now, it's starting to consolidate. It's a double bottom right here, consolidate. I mean, it's ready to pop. Now it might dip down under this 200. We'll see, but I expect it to start pushing up towards this gap for sure. Above, hit the gap, bounce off a little bit, and keep pushing to have some upper targets. Have some upper targets for it to hit. For sure. But definitely looking for it to get to 475 first. Bounce down, and then maybe break through to get some all-time highs. So I'll be in the play. When it gets to those targets, that's when I'll get out of my TSLO. All right. Same thing with UNH. 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 Looks like it's probably going to pop before Tesla. 4 sure. But definitely looking for it to get to 475 first. Bounce down, and then maybe break through to get some all-time highs. So I'll be in the play. When it gets to those targets, that's when I'll get out of my TSLO. All right. Same thing with UNH. UNH looks like it's probably going to pop before Tesla. Looking for it to get at least back up to 345. And then we have some targets above 345 as well. So we got $11.63 last price. There's no reason to average in on that one because pretty close. We're only down 5%, 5.5% on that one. UNH is ready to go. Is ready to go. Beyond is my problem child. It's only down, about 6 cents today. This also consolidating, long consolidation, been consolidating since last November. Why do I think it's going to pop? I mean, there's gaps to close for sure. Got our EMAs that look like they need to cross, are still bullish. I mean, bearish, but this 200 EMA is above. I like it. I like it. It's going to start closing now. What would suck if the 200 keeps coming all the way down, and that just makes it, narrow. But that's all right because it's going to have to go up and widen at some point. And I think that'll be before January. Well, definitely before December of next year. It gets up here, then we wildly in the profit. And, if you know what I know, I think it has to come up way up here. Way up here, way up here. So we'll see what happens with those. That could be a really, really, big money one. I got 30 contracts on that. Yeah, shit. Wish I could have 100 contracts, and I can. Shit, could buy 7 more contracts. But at this point, I might as well just buy shares. If I'm going to get into it, shares are 74 cents. So if it goes to the targets that I think, even if let's just say it gets to $100 and I paid under $1, that's 100x on my bread. Can't beat that with a bet. You know what I'm saying? So it'll be a shares play, if anything, for Beyond. But for right now, it's going to focus on what I'm focused on. And stay in these plays, TTD and Beyond, and then TSLL and UNHG. That's it. So once again, today's gain negative 463.75. Total assets 11,211.73. Looking to never pull any more money out of here, so it should start. Just keep going from here, and I'll keep you posted. All right. Let you know what happens tomorrow. One love.